Well, the MTA is trying to protect commuters and stop the spread of the coronavirus by deep cleaning and disinfecting subway stations, trains, as well as buses. There is one confirmed case here in Manhattan, and the death toll nationwide has risen to 6, all of them in Washington state. Health officials say there are now more than 100 cases reported in 14 states. Our CBSN New York's Reena is in Herald Square now with the latest on New York City's response. Reena, what's going on there?
Well, Natalie, city officials say if you start to notice the smell of bleach or disinfectant during your commute, you should not be surprised because, as you said, MTA workers are implementing a new cleaning policy in hopes of keeping commuters safe. MTA workers have their face masks and cleaning supplies in tow, attacking some of the most used surfaces in the entire city. Trains and buses, plus turnstiles, handrails, and Metro card machines. Transit officials say this new protocol ensures the full fleet will be sanitized every 72 hours.
The whole challenge is about containment of the number of people who become exposed and who become infected. You're not going to eliminate the spread, but you can limit the spread.
Worldwide, doctors have seen few cases in kids, but schools will also be disinfected. Containment top of mind after the first case in New York was announced. A 39-year-old healthcare worker who tested positive after returning from Iran with her husband. He's also expected to have the virus. They're isolated in their Manhattan apartment with mild symptoms as authorities work to track down people on their flight and the driver who took them home.
Even though it was anticipated, could create a bit of anxiety for folks.
Meantime, in New Jersey, there are no confirmed cases, but one person is being tested. This school in Little Falls is disinfecting 4 times a day and preparing to teach remotely with virtual classrooms. Some Catholic churches across the state are sending out letters saying the sign of peace should be exchanged without physical contact, and distribution of Holy Communion via the chalice is to be suspended. That means no wine. Priests are also telling parishioners not to come to Mass if they're sick. And you may also start seeing new healthcare guidance PSAs across the public transit system, reminding New Yorkers to practice good hygiene. That, of course, means washing your hands and covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze. In Herald Square, Reena, CBSN, New York.
All really important advice. Thank you so much, Reena.